Sean Schwaller joining us from newscafe.com. Sean, I want to be clear. Tyler McCain was never convicted in the attack on Nikki. He was charged, but the charges were dropped. Why?
Right. Right after the court proceedings started for the domestic violence charges against Tyler, right after that started on May 7th, and Nikki went missing on May 18th, right after the case started in the courts. And then in July of 5th, 2024, DA Stephanie Bridget dismissed the domestic violence case against Tyler.
So, bottom line, Sean Schwaller, the case was dropped because Nikki couldn't be found to be the witness, correct?
That's correct. And that is what the DA said, that Nikki was needed to be there to be in court, despite the fact that there was a very, very detailed report taken by Deputy Mall in the hospital when Nikki was hospitalized.
Sadly, under the Constitution, Dwane Cates, the Sixth Amendment specifically, every defendant has a right to cross-examine witnesses against him or her. And in this case, without Nikki, he would be denied his rights under the Constitution, correct?
The district attorney did the correct thing by dismissing the case because, again, if she didn't dismiss the case and he went to trial and won, or the case was thrown out once they impaneled the jury, then double jeopardy would attach and she would never be able to prosecute him for that again. By dismissing the charges, there's a 3-year statute of limitations in California on felonies, and so they have a couple more years to try to find Nikki. And if they find her, then and she's dead, I don't know that these charges will come up, but there may be other kinds of charges.